In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 cool facts about planet Earth. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. In addition to being our home planet, Earth is also full with scientific marvels and breathtaking natural beauty. Additionally, it has some really awesome abilities that you might not even be aware of. Number 1. Earth is 4.5 billion years old. Where did we learn this? Scientists examine rocks and sediment to estimate the age of the particular piece of sediment in order to determine the age of the planet. Yet it's not as simple as one may imagine. The Earth constantly recycles its rock by dissolving it into magma in the interior and pumping it back up to the surface as a result of plate tectonic processes. They base their estimates of the age of the Earth on the oldest rock they have found, which is from Austria. That's a lot of birthday cake at 4.5 billion years old. Number 2. 1 year on Earth is in 365 days. There are 365.2564 days in a year. A leap year is required once every 4 years due to this extra 0.2564 days. We add an extra day to February every 4 years because of this 2004, 2008, 2012, etc. With the exception of years that are divisible by 100, 1900, 2100, etc., this rule does not apply to them, 1600, 2000, etc. Number 3. The many moons of Earth? Indeed, there is only one moon orbiting the Earth. However, two orbitals that belong to a broader population of asteroids known as near-Earth objects and are orbiting Earth are 3753 Kruth and 2002 AA29 NEOs. Asteroid 3753 Kruth, which is also known as Earth's second moon, is 5 kilometers across. It has a coordinated orbit with Earth but does not really orbit it. It also has an orbit that gives the impression that it is moving in the same direction as the Earth, but it is actually traveling in a different direction around the Sun. Number 4. Antarctica. Did you know that Antarctica is categorized as a desert? Just 2 inches, 50 millimeters, of precipitation fall in the interior regions each year, typically as snow, of course. Despite its desert-like environment, Antarctica is home to 90% of the world's ice and 70% of the planet's freshwater. Number 5. Earth has a lead foot. At 67,000 miles per hour, the Earth orbits the Sun. Consider timing that with a police radar gun. Number 6. Did you know rocks can walk? On Death Valley's racetrack playa, pebbles that can weigh tens of pounds or even hundreds of pounds sometimes seem to walk. According to NASA experts, scientists think it is caused by meltwater from the hills above the playa engulfing ice-encrusted rocks. When an ice breeze blows, the sand beneath the rock turns into a small water slide, and the rock starts to roll, or sliding as the case may be. Number 7. The world's longest mountain range is actually underwater. You would need to look way down to find the world's longest mountain range. The Mid-Ocean Ridge is a massive chain of volcanoes that rises an average of 18,000 feet, 5.5 kilometers, above the ocean's surface and encircling the Earth. It is more than 30,000 miles, 48,000 kilometers, long. A large portion of the Earth's volcanic eruptions are brought on by this location, where the Earth's plates widen apart as new crust bubbles up. Number 8. Earth used to be purple. Ancient bacteria may have employed a chemical other than chlorophyll to capture the sun's rays, one that gave the organisms a violet hue, according to this live science story. According to the paper, retinal, another light-sensitive chemical, was already present on the early Earth before chlorophyll appeared. The photosynthetic microbe known as halobacteria has retina, which is now located in its plum-colored membrane. Retinal absorbs green light and reflects back red and violet light, which when combined gives the appearance of purple. The theory could help to explain why chlorophyll mostly absorbs blue and red wavelengths while the sun transmits the majority of its energy in the visible spectrum's green region. Number 9. The Earth recycles itself. You may not be aware, but only the planet Earth exhibits plate tectonics. Tectonic plates are the various geographic divisions that make up the Earth's outer crust. A magma interior beneath that is what moves the plates, occasionally causing them to collide. Magma bubbles up as they meet and separate, causing new crust to form. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain development, and ocean trenches are all the result of this significant activity. Number 10. The hottest spot is in Libya. According to NASA Earth Observatory, El Azizia, Libya, holds the record for being the hottest place on Earth, with weather station records showing a temperature of 136 degrees Fahrenheit, 57.8 degrees Celsius, on September 13, 1922. Outside the network of meteorological stations, there have probably been hotter places. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.